Prepare for takeoff. Here we go! Today is our first trip. Ah! I can't wait! Mr. Buttons is coming too! Ah! Don't forget him! Everyone ready? Yes! Your teddy gets a seat too? He's family! Look, there's the airport! Wow! It's so big!
Welcome to the airport. Have a wonderful trip. Thank you.
You're all set! Let's keep moving. What's wrong? Mr. Buttons is gone. Mom? We have to find him. Don't worry, we'll find Mr. Buttons together.
Let's start searching now.
Mr. Buttons, where are you?
Stay close. We'll find him.
Excuse me, have you seen a little teddy bear? We'll help you look. I think I saw a teddy over there. Really? Thank you. Pum pum pum.
Keep looking everywhere.
We're getting closer.
Keep looking everywhere.
Someone must be missing this little friend. Don't worry, little friend. We'll find your family.
A little boy must be looking for this teddy. I'll make an announcement right away.
Keep looking. We can't give up. I miss Mr. Buttons so much.
We're here, Noah!
Mom, we can't find him anywhere. Attention, passengers. A lost teddy bear has been found near the snack area. Ah! That's Mr. Buttons. Come on! Hurry!
We're almost there!
Mr. Buttons, I'm coming! Mr. Buttons!
I think this belongs to you.
I missed you so much. He's safe now.
Thank you for helping us. You're very welcome. You saved our trip.
Oh no!
What happened?
Our flight is boarding now.
Run, everyone! We can still make it! Come on, Mr. Buttons! Final boarding call for Flight 247. That's our flight! Hold on, Noah. I'm okay. Which way?
Gate B24, this way.
I can see the gate!
Keep running!
You made it just in time! Thank goodness! We did it! We're really going on a plane! This is amazing! Welcome aboard! Thank you! Well, the airplanes are huge! Wait until we take off! Prepare for takeoff! Here we go! We're above the clouds! It's beautiful! A moment you'll never forget. Look, Mr. Buttons! We're flying! The clouds look like giant pillows. Would you like some juice? Yes, please. Thank you. like your teddy bear. His name is Mr. Buttons. That's a great name. Look at the rainbow! Wow! It's so beautiful!
This trip is already unforgettable.
Best day ever!
And Mr. Buttons is here too.
Look at the ocean! We're almost there. Welcome to our vacation! This place is beautiful.
The beach. Slow down, Noah.
This is perfect. King Mr. Buttons rules the castle.
Would you like me to take your picture? That would be wonderful.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
Flying above the clouds, finding Mr. Buttons. I was so scared when I lost you. I promise I'll never leave you behind again. That's a good promise.
The best adventures are the ones we share together. And the memories last forever. Thank you for joining our adventure.
And don't forget your teddy bear.
Have you ever traveled somewhere special with your family?